Is it? We just got to the cottage. I'm gonna go see the damage. Latch is broken. That's an easy fix. Dirty deck. Chairs are still there. Nobody stole them. Turn that off. Dirty deck. A lot of cleanup to do. Oh yeah.
Was I here for spring cleanup last year?
Yep, the last two. Johnny didn't tip over the wheelbarrows. That thing's probably full of water and stink.
Pull the trampoline out?
No. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. Mmm.
That's fun.
Yeah, weird. Top poles are taken off.
Do you do that?
No. Couple branches. Let's go see the inside for the real truth.
Do you have the two keys for the shed, or is there just the one on your keychain? Keyring?
No, it's the only ones in here.
Oh.
The yellow one. Here we go. See if anything leaks. Oh, there's a mop. Fridge. Okay, we gotta shut that off first.
It's the same smell it's having here. Oh, what's this?
He left. This.
What's this?
I can't look right now. Okay, that's off. The keys from the tree.
Oh. Had to get this power.
Hang on, I gotta shut the taps off. Off, off, off. Okay. It's the big one. That's just
Towel's still on the skylight.
dark in here. This kind of smells like nobody's been in here for 8 months.
Yeah, this towel has. Who would have thought?
Peter's still there. Okay. Nothing appears to be leaking. Oh, here's something running. Is it just the toilet filling up?
Why is it yellow?
Oh, really? Could have been the kind of...
Washer fluid you put in the pipes?
Yeah. We have water. Oh, sheets are still on. Uh-oh. What room are you taking? Oh. Still running?
Could be. Not over maybe all the way. It was completely empty. Oh, is the issue going to be the toilet again?
I'll check that in a minute. Possible, but just glad this thing isn't leaking. Okay.
We successfully shut it down.
We successfully opened it up.
Yeah, both.
Okay, bye.